Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hey everyone, this is Sam Mowers here, and welcome to episode 554 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, HUT.TO has joined Foundry's mining pool. Future Fintech subsidiary is acquiring 60% of Guangdong HiCard Business Service Co. Graph Blockchain has made an initial capital deployment into Polkadot, and Bitcoin miner Greenidge is listing on the Nasdaq through a merger. But just before we get into the news today, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. Some of these include the Clean Tech and Climate Change podcast, as well as the Cannabis podcast. Both of those will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. So CoinDesk reports that HUT.TO Mining Corp., which trades on the TSX under the ticker symbol HUT or HUT, has joined Foundry's institutional Bitcoin mining pool, bringing 14,400 machines and planning to deploy an additional 5,000 machines by August. Foundry, which is a wholly owned subsidiary of Digital Currency Group or DCG, only brought its North American-based pool out of its beta testing phase about 2 weeks ago, and it already ranks near the top 10 mining pools worldwide. HUT.TO CEO Jamie Leverton told CoinDesk, quote, "Having a formidable Bitcoin mining pool based and operated entirely in North America is important to us," end quote. Future Commercial Group Co. Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary of blockchain, e-commerce, and fintech service provider Future Fintech Group, Inc., which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol FTFT, has signed an equity acquisition frame agreement with Guangzhou HiCard Computer Network Service Co. Limited to acquire 60% of the shares of Guangdong HiCard Business Service Co. Limited. Future Fintech CEO Shanchun Huang explained, quote, "HiCard is a highly active player in the payment processing space in China. It has accumulated a great deal of experience and has translated this into success in financial technology, especially in the development and promotion of application systems in the electronic payment field. We are pleased to have entered into this initial frame agreement as it represents yet another major step in expanding our footprint in financial technology services," end quote. Graph Blockchain, Inc., which trades on the CSE under the ticker symbol GBLC, has made its initial deployment of capital into the cryptocurrency Polkadot for the purpose of staking through its wholly owned cryptocurrency subsidiary Babbage Mining Corp. The CEO of Graph, Paul Haber, said, quote, "We are extremely excited to be deploying funds into our initial token purchase and management, and this board have taken great care in developing our process as we move forward to tokenize the company's cash position and grow the crypto business. The company is greatly confident with the team and look forward to building on this first purchase of a cryptocurrency with the Polkadot token," end quote. An announcement today reports that Bitcoin mining company Greenidge Generation Holdings, Inc. expects to become a Nasdaq-listed company through a merger with Support.com, Inc., which itself trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol SPRT. This will see the latter become a wholly owned subsidiary of Greenidge. According to the press release, also, Greenidge is expected to be the only U.S. public company operating a vertically integrated power generation asset and Bitcoin mining operation, and plans to replicate its vertically integrated mining model at other power sites, and expects to achieve at least 500 megawatts of mining capacity by 2025. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Play Music, and most audio platforms available.